Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how do we get duplicate records into the mainframe system. So mainframe system is a downstream application where it receives data from online screens, which are mainframe screens. It can receive data from modern technology screens. It can receive data from a Windows PC from either a branch or a back office. It can also receive data via FTP from other technology. If it's a mainframe screens, normally it is written into either KSDS files or a database, and this data is dumped to PS files. So we can't expect duplicate there. But if the same PS files combine together, then duplicate is possible. But if it's a modern technology screen, if the user submits data multiple times, it is going to send same data twice to the system. If the same record is repeated, if the record is exactly same, it's okay, we can easily remove one record. But if the first record is partial data, the second record is full data, then customer has to some user in the back office should make sure remove the incorrect data and pass the correct data to the downstream application. So duplicate is always a problem in mainframe or any software. Sometimes when the data comes from back office or branch office, by uploading either a notepad or an Excel sheet to mainframe, if it is uploaded twice, we can get duplicate. We can't process duplicate data, it is going to give trouble. Similarly, when the data is file transferred from a modern technology to mainframe, so they use a FTP. So if they transfer twice, we get duplicate. Sometimes when the jobs are executed twice, creating duplicate GDG versions, and the GDG versions are combined later, we can get duplicate potentially. And there are some manual errors where PS files are combined or ESDS files are combined, that also create duplicate. Duplicate record is always a problem in any software. We have to remove duplicates. As far as mainframe is concerned, we can use sort program to remove duplicate. But even in sort program, if the complete record is duplicate, we can use it. Or if the record is partially correct and partially incorrect, we can't use sort program. And even sort program can be used if the first duplicate record is correct, we can still use it. So in sort program, we have to use sum fields equal to none. So you can go to the sort playlist and see how to use sum fields equal to none. Hope you understood how duplicate record come into mainframe system and how to remove duplicate using sum fields equal to none. Thanks for watching this video.